Wonder why sometimes your steak comes out overcooked or your chicken seems too dry? Well, you're not alone. Many of us face these common meat cooking problems. Overcooking, undercooking, uneven cooking. These are all challenges that can turn a succulent piece of meat into a culinary disaster. Let's start with overcooking. It's easy to leave your meat on the heat a moment too long and find it's lost all its juicy tenderness. Then there's undercooking, where the meat is pink and unappetizing, risking foodborne illnesses. And let's not forget uneven cooking, where one part of your meat is well done while the other part is still raw. The key to avoiding these problems? Accurate temperature measurement. It's all about hitting that sweet spot where the meat is cooked just right, retaining its juices and flavors while being safe to eat. So, how can we avoid these common meat cooking problems? Enter the wireless meat thermometer, a game changer in the world of cooking. This modern kitchen tool is a fusion of technology and culinary arts, designed to help you cook your meats to perfection every single time. But what exactly is a wireless meat thermometer? Let's break it down. A wireless meat thermometer, as its name suggests, is a device that allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your meat without being tethered to your oven or grill. It consists of two main parts, a probe and a transmitter. The probe is inserted into the meat, and the transmitter sends real-time temperature readings to a receiver, which could be a separate unit or even your smartphone. Now, why is this important? Well, cooking meat is a bit of an art and science. Whether you're grilling a steak, roasting a turkey, or smoking a brisket, hitting the right internal temperature is crucial. It's the difference between a juicy, flavorful bite and a dry, overcooked piece. And that's where the wireless meat thermometer comes in. Remember the common cooking problems we discussed earlier? Overcooking meat because you can't keep a constant eye on it, or having to repeatedly open the oven door to check the temperature, letting out heat and disrupting the cooking process. The wireless meat thermometer effectively solves these issues. With this device, you can monitor the temperature of your meat from a distance, without having to hover around the oven or grill. You can enjoy your time with family and friends, or focus on preparing other parts of the meal, all while ensuring your meat is cooked to perfection. And the best part? Many wireless meat thermometers come with preset temperature settings for different types of meat and levels of doneness, making it even easier to get that perfect cook. So, we have a tool that provides real-time temperature readings, allows for remote monitoring, and even has preset settings to guide you. But what makes this gadget so special? Wireless meat thermometers come packed with features that can level up your cooking game. Let's dive headfirst into this delicious topic and get to know these features that can make your culinary adventures a whole lot more enjoyable. First off, let's talk about the wireless range. This is the distance over which the thermometer can transmit data to your device. This feature allows you to monitor the cooking process from afar, freeing you from the constraints of staying close to the oven or grill. You can now enjoy your favorite TV show or complete other tasks while your meat cooks to perfection. Some of the best wireless meat thermometers can transmit data over a range of up to 300 feet. Next up, we have the number of probes. Most wireless meat thermometers come with multiple probes. This means you can monitor the temperature of different cuts of meat simultaneously, or even track the heat of different areas of your grill or oven. This feature is incredibly handy, especially when you're cooking for a crowd and need to prepare various types of meat at the same time. Now, let's move on to the temperature range. The temperature range of a wireless meat thermometer refers to the minimum and maximum temperatures it can accurately measure. A wide temperature range is crucial for grilling or smoking different types of meat, each requiring a specific cooking temperature. Some thermometers can measure temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 712 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range allows you to cook your meat perfectly, whether you're slow cooking a brisket or searing a steak. Last but not least, let's talk about durability. A good wireless meat thermometer should be built to last. This means it should be able to withstand high cooking temperatures and resist water and grease. Some thermometers even come with heat-resistant handles and cables to ensure they can endure the rigors of any cooking session. But what does all this mean for your cooking results? Well, the wireless range gives you the freedom to multitask while cooking. The multiple probes let you cater to everyone's preferences, ensuring each piece of meat is cooked just right. The wide temperature range allows you to explore different cooking methods and recipes. And the durability ensures your wireless meat thermometer will be a trusty cooking companion for many meals to come. With these features, wireless meat thermometers can certainly make cooking meat a whole lot easier and more precise. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, a wireless meat thermometer could be the secret ingredient you need to bring your cooking game to the next level. Let's quickly recap the points we've covered today. We've all experienced the common problems when cooking meat. It's too tough, too dry,